For this brand new series, I've got a really great experience set up, specifically designed for folks who are just beginning, absolute beginners, in fact. Here on Amazon, what we're going to observe is that we actually don't have the CME gaps present. Now, while the trade itself can still be quite good, potentially a very good trade, what is absolutely essential to do, what you really need to focus on, is finding the Amazon CME gap. Once you have successfully located that, you then proceed to draw your Fibonacci levels, your Fibonacci retracement, right there on the chart. Now, in order to determine, to figure out precisely how far the price is likely to ascend, to go up, we are currently positioned on a brand new, unprecedented all-time high. So what you do is you take the absolute lowest point that you can identify and you connect it directly to the absolute highest point reached. And then, as you'll observe, we are indeed seeing a very significant rebound, a bounce back right around the area of the closing price. To actually enter into a trade, what you absolutely